Hey there, welcome back to another deep dive into medical science. Today, I'm going to break down the intricate world of skeletal muscle tissue, specifically focusing on connective tissues, blood vessels, and nerves, and their critical roles. Let's start with picture this as the scaffolding that holds everything together. First up, this is the outermost layer that wraps around the entire muscle, offering it protection from friction against other muscles and bones. It's dense and crucial for maintaining structural integrity. Next, this layer encases groups of muscle fibers, forming bundles known as fascicles. It's thicker and provides a home for blood vessels and nerves, ensuring that nutrients and signals reach every muscle fiber in each fascicle. Then we have this delicate layer wraps around each individual muscle fiber. It's packed with capillaries and nerve endings, making sure each fiber gets the necessary nutrients, waste removal, and electrical impulses. So why are these connective tissues important? They provide, allowing muscles to generate and transmit force to bones for movement. They also protect muscle fibers from damage, distribute stress, and keep the muscle structure intact during contraction and relaxation. Lastly, they compartmentalize muscle fibers and fascicles, reducing friction and preventing overstretching. Next, let's talk about blood vessels. Within these connective tissues are like a lifeline for muscles. They supply oxygen and essential nutrients like glucose and amino acids, crucial for ATP production and muscle contraction. They also remove metabolic waste products like carbon dioxide and lactic acid, preventing toxin buildup that could impair muscle function. Plus, they help regulate muscle temperature during intense activity. Now on to nerves. Are the communication lines for muscle contraction. Transmit signals from the brain and spinal cord to the muscle fibers, triggering contraction. Is where a motor neuron communicates with a muscle fiber, essential for initiating muscle contraction. And sensory nerves relay information about muscle tension, stretch, and position back to the central nervous system, helping coordinate movement and maintain balance. Moving on to a muscle fiber or myocyte is a long cylindrical cell with several key components. Is the plasma membrane that encloses the cell and plays a crucial role in impulse transmission. Is the cytoplasm containing organelles, enzymes, and molecules necessary for muscle function. Are rod-like structures composed of repeating units called sarcomeres, the functional units of contraction. Stores and releases calcium ions essential for muscle contraction. Help propagate action potentials deep into the muscle fiber. And produce ATP, reflecting the high energy demand of muscle fibers. Finally, let's distinguish between muscle contraction. Are primarily composed of myosin, with heads that bind to actin and thin filaments to generate force. Are made of actin, tropomyosin, and troponin, and they slide past thick filaments during contraction, driven by the interaction between myosin and actin, regulated by tropomyosin and troponin. In summary, connective tissues, blood vessels, and nerves are fundamental to muscle function, providing support, nutrients, and control. Microscopic structures like sarcomeres and myofibrils ensure efficient contraction. And the interaction between thick and thin filaments is crucial for muscle contraction. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you next time.